No more gatekeeping, I'm gonna show you how to make a dual color outline brush in Procreate. Dual color brushes are super unique brushes that you can make in Procreate, where you can draw once and instantly get two perfectly paired colors, an outline and a fill in one stroke. I remember searching everywhere on how to make these, and I couldn't find it for the life of me, and no one was sharing the process. And it's kind of felt like the best gate-kept secret. When I finally cracked the code, I made an entire brush set, and it's for sale on my Etsy shop. And you can check that out if you want to skip all this and just have a complete collection that you can purchase. But if you're curious to know how to make it, I'm going to show you everything you need to know, and I'm not going to skip any of the important points. So here I am in Procreate. I'm in the brush library, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make two duplicates of the monoline brush. My monoline brush is in the sketching tab. I don't know if I might have moved it at one point, I don't know. But just go ahead and find the monoline brush and make two duplicates of it. So you need two different copies of it. I'm just gonna move these into a fresh brush set. I'm just gonna drop them into this brush set here. When you're making a combined brush, you can combine them first and then change the settings on them, but I think it's more precise to change the settings before you combine them. So let's go into our top brush and change the settings here. And here in stroke path, I'm going to change the spacing to 10. And then under stabilization, I'm going to change the streamline amount to max. And from there, I'm just going to skip down to rendering. All of the other settings can just say as default, but under rendering, I'm going to change it to uniformed glaze. And then burnt edges, I'm going to turn that all the way up. Under burnt edges mode, I am changing this to behind. And then blending mode, I'm going to change this one to lighter color. I'm going to go to wet mix and I'm going to turn pull off, and I'm going to change charge to 50%. And then color dynamics, we definitely need to change some settings in color dynamics. Under color jitter, we're going to turn up secondary color all the way to max. And then color pressure, brightness to max, and secondary color to max. And color tilt, that one goes to max as well. And then I will skip down to properties and I change the maximum size to 40%. And then I tap on done. And now I'll go to my secondary brush. And spacing, you want that to be the same as the original brush, so I'm going to change that to 10. Streamline needs to be all the way up to max as well. And from there, I'm going to skip down to grain, and we'll just scroll down, and we do need to change the blending mode, and I'm going to change that to color dodge. And then I'm going to skip down to Apple Pencil, and all of the other settings can be set to default. I'm going to turn bleed up all the way to max. And then we'll go to properties, and the maximum size, I'm going to change this to 200. Well, I guess 250. And then I'll tap on done. And so now I'm ready to combine these brushes. When you combine brushes, you need to do a quick select of both of the brushes, and the one that is the darker blue or the brighter blue, I guess that's the darker blue. The one that's the brighter blue is going to be the main brush, and the darker blue will be the secondary brush, and that's what we want in this case. So I'm just going to tap on combine, and then we'll open it up. And you can kind of see how it's going to operate now. This isn't telling us if the dual color aspect works yet, so let's go ahead and just head and tap on done and test it out. The only way you can control the colors that show up in your dual color brush is here on the disc tab of the color wheel. So I've got a yellow and a green here, and let's go ahead and test it out. And there you have a dual color brush, and if you want to adjust the size of the brush in the center, that should be our primary brush, so we'll go to that one. We'll just increase the max size of that center, and you can see in the picture here that the center has gotten a lot thicker. There you have your dual color brush. And the fun part of this is just experimenting with it and just seeing how it behaves. It's super fun. And if you're in the mood to create even more unique brushes for your Procreate brush library, go ahead and watch my next video. It's all about how to make a seamless grain brush in Procreate, so go ahead and click on over and I will show you exactly how to do it.